Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's February 11th. It's Thursday. It's our last day before that big 4-day weekend. And we've been talking all week about honor, and we've talked about how we can show honor to President George Washington and the amazing things that he did, and President Abraham Lincoln and all of the amazing things that he did. We have one more day to talk about honor, and then 4-day weekend. But let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so check this out. We talked a lot about, I'm going to put my slides up here. We talked a lot about showing great respect for yourself and others this week. We talked about how you respect a president. We talked about this third one too, doing the right thing regardless of what others are doing. We talked about how Abraham Lincoln did that. Abraham Lincoln did what he knew was right, even when other people didn't think it was right. And even when he had to kind of like be brave and do that. And then you shared with your class some ways yesterday that you have done the right thing. That's awesome. We can probably all think in our hearts, like there's probably some times I didn't do the right thing too. So I want to talk today. How are you going to get yourself ready to be honorable and do the right thing? So, when you watch a video about somebody like George Washington or Abraham Lincoln or a famous person, or maybe when you watch some of the football players this Sunday in the Super Bowl, and they are somebody who should be honored because they deserve great respect, you should also be thinking in your inside, like, I think I want to be like that. I want to do that thing that they do. So I want you to share some ideas with your class. What are some things that you can maybe copy that Abraham Lincoln or George Washington did so that you know that you will be making the right choices in the future? What can we learn from those guys? So one more time, what can you copy from Abraham Lincoln or George Washington? What's the thing that you want to do to make sure that you are honorable and that you're going to do the right thing, even if nobody else is? Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great 4-day weekend. Bye.